Alright, so today, beautiful day, we are out in the parking lot of a distribution center here in northern Georgia, helping a mobile mechanic take care of one of his customers with a Freightliner Cascadia, DD15 engine, and a one-box after-treatment. Now, most people who have a Freightliner with a one-box, when they have dirty DPF filters, the truck is derating or reporting high soot levels, they will take it to the dealership or take it someplace and take off one of the heat shields on the side of the one box, get in there and struggle to get the DPFs out, and then clean them, replace them with reman, replace them with brand new ones, pop them back in, and guess what? You might have replaced the dirty DPF, but everything else in that box is still sooty, still dirty. And it's also, believe it or not, more work to just replace the filters than it is to drop the entire one box. You pop the one box out, just have to disconnect the inlet and outlet, disconnect the sensors from the harness, leave them in the one box, remove about 8 bolts, drop that thing down, and you are good to go. That allows us to not just clean the filters, but also make sure that the catalysts are fully clean, because they do get face plugged, get all of the DEF residue out of the SCRs, and put everything back together and get it back on the truck the next day. So this baby is being loaded up, and it's a Saturday. They wanted to get rolling the next day, so we did open up on Sunday to get this back to them. And anyway, this was about a week ago. I checked with the mechanic who talked to the driver. The driver did report that his fuel economy went up by a little more than 5%. He was real happy with that. He said the truck performed much better power, because this thing was a mess. It was plugged up like a cork. But that's really about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you see more of this. Find us on TikTok. We do little videos over there. And if there's anything that I can help you out with, if you have any questions, even if you're not in our area, we're in Georgia, by the way, give us a call, 404-999-1361. That's 404-999-1361. And I will answer any questions you have. And if we can help you, we definitely will. If we can send you someplace that can help you, we'll do that too. But anyway, appreciate you watching, and look forward to helping you out at some point in the future.